welcome back to my channel. And this time, maiba naman tayo. I know you heard about the cicada. That's how they call it here in America. But, you know, in the Philippines, we call it like kagang, yayay, kuliglig. So, they said 17 years ago, nag-invade yung cicada here in America. And now, they are back. So if you can hear the noise, it's all the cicada. It's everywhere. It's all around us. So if you can see in here, right in here, this is how we do it. See, when I was young, we used to catch a cicada and we play with it. But oh my God, look at that. It's so cute. It won't bite you though. It won't bite you. It won't hurt you. But they said, I just saw a Facebook post the other day. When you're under the tree, make sure you have a hat or umbrella because you will think it's raining, but it's not. It's a cicada's pee. See, here you go. So guys, my friends, they won't bite you. I'm telling you, they won't. It's cute. You see, up close and personal. And look at their eyes. See the eyes, the wings. So come on, let's put it back in here. Ayan. I'll just put it in here. They won't bite you, I swear. Diba? Look at the cicadas! Oh my God! So up close and personal with the cicadas. Like I said guys, they won't bite you. Hindi kayo kakagatin yan. You can play with it. Trust me, because I'm a Pinay. I'm from the Philippines and we're used to it. So guys, thanks for watching. Yun lang.